Hi, Velvet here, and I'm continuing with my 3-minute series, 3-minute videos on what's the world according to Velvet. So I want to talk a little bit about the Mayan calendar and how I perceive it's related to what's happening right now. So in 2010, I started studying the Mayan calendar, and I realized that the even what the Bible said about how the earth was created in 7 days is very much tied to what this Mayan calendar talks about. So there are 20 Mayan calendars, and the one that I was kind of obsessed with was the one that was a 16.4 billion year calendar. And so, give or take a few years, we are still under the influence of that calendar. And right now, theoretically, all of these underworlds or times or frequencies, waves are coexisting at the same time. And if we're grounded and centered, we can be in this one where the energy is moving really fast and time is moving really fast, and we can be in this in connection to this really slow moving energy that I perceive is very much associated with the stones. And so the stones can help us tap in to that time where things were slow in spite of the speediness that most of us are feeling right now. So, in my understanding of that calendar, there are days, which are expansions, and then there are nights, which are contractions. And the contractions are where a lot of, you know, devastation can occur, has occurred. Extinctions have occurred during the nights, and then expansions are where growth has occurred. Jumps in evolution have occurred during the days. And so right now we can, if we're paying attention, we can tune in to the contractions and expansions, but we have to be able to be centered in spite of the almost over 700 kilometers per second solar winds, in spite of the fires, in spite of the earthquakes, in spite of the hurricanes. And so I'm going to continue to talk about the tools that I've received to help me through this time, and so that I can stay centered, no matter what's happened and what's happening, and I can share this with you. Wherever you are, you have tools around you. Whatever your tradition is, there are clues in your spiritual tradition on how to be in this time.